Before I make this video, I have to do a small confession, which means that 5 years ago, I didn't know nothing about trading. I mean, I knew that what trading was, but I never been profitable in my life, even with the demo account. So it was something like crazy. But become a profitable trader, it was for real my dream, because I was tired to work 12 hours as bartending for $35 per day, which here where I live in Malta, you will never be able even to pay the rent for a shared bedroom. So guys, for real, I was very depressed. I was with no hope until one day that I discovered one strategy that is not only the strategy, it's also the way that it was explained to me, because I was a complete beginner. And you cannot talk with a profitable trader and he start to talk about number fractals and stuff that you don't understand nothing, because you know only the difference between the red candle and the green candle. So I really needed something easy to understand, because everything it's easy when you see others people do, but when you are on the chart by yourself, it's tough. It's tough because you if you really don't know what you're doing, it's really bad, because you start to lose money, you start to lose hope, you start to get depressed, you start to say, oh, maybe yes, this is the life that I was dreaming, but it doesn't match with my brain, with my mindset in the real time, in the real life. So I was almost about to quit everything before I discovered this strategy that it gave me a boost, not only financial boost, guys, but also in my mindset. I mean, when I started to show the first profit with this strategy, I started to feel better, more energy, more power, more dopamine, more the depression, that it was gone away. Because for real, when you are not focused only to fill up the fridge, but you don't have the stress to pay the rent, you don't have the stress to pay the bill, you don't have always to invent an excuses with your friend because you don't have money for go in the restaurant with them. Even the McDonald's, I didn't had the money for go in the McDonald's. I was eating only white pasta or bread, guys. It was one situation that I still I will never forget. I will never forget, and it's also helped me. It gives me a lot of motivation to push a lot, even after 12 hours work, get on the chart and study and apply and study and apply the same strategy every day. But the good thing is that this strategy that I'm about to explain you, it made me profitable since the first trade. So for real, I will explain you this strategy. You will watch this video from the beginning until the end, and I guarantee absolutely to you that you will become a profitable trader. So for real, subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and get ready to change your way to trade, because I swear I started with only $50. In this case, we're talking about crypto, so it was 50 USDT, and I started to make from that day $500 per day, 480, 460, 500, 1000, 600. There is an average, but my average, for example, last month it was $483, starting with a $50 account, which means that you put your first 50 USDT in your trading account, which means in this case will be Bybit. Sign up on Bybit and claim your $30,000 bonus if you sign up on Bybit using the link below in my description. So are you ready? Let's go in the chart. As you can see, we are in the 1 minute chart, Bitcoin against USDT. So we just need two indicators, and when these two indicators show us two confirmation that we need, yes, we can enter in a trade. Let's add the indicator first, and let's set the parameters for these indicators, both of them, and After we have everything ready, I will show you when you need to enter in a long position and when you need to enter in a short position and how. Okay, let's go. We are here on TradingView. We start to add the first indicator that it's called William Fractals. As you can see, it's already my favorite, so I will put immediately. And this indicator, as you can see, basically give us already the sell and buy signal, which for an easy understand, I will invert the colors. So we make the buy in green and the sell in red has his right to be. And the second indicator, it's called 3 moving averages. That the name is long, but nothing to be scary of. 3 moving averages from Advent Trading. This is the one that I recommend, and as you can see now we have just a couple of narrows and these bands, this moving averages band moving and following the chart. And also here we have to change some settings, and in this case we will put the first line in green, the second line in yellow, and the third line in red, just for understand the chart easier. And also we need to go on settings and switch the green line from 50 to 20, the second line, which is the yellow one, from 100 to 50, and third one from 200 to 100. That's it, guys. We are ready to make money in trading. So what are we gonna do? There is one simple rule before I show you when to enter in a trade. The rule main important is that when you see these lines that are crossing each other, like this here, like this here, like this here, and like this here, you will not gonna enter in any trade, okay? You will gonna enter in a short position, for example, only when you see the sell signal and the candle that must to be below the yellow line and below on in the middle of the green line. So in this case here we have all the parameters for enter in a short position from here, and how the position must to be open. We place our stop loss here. Look at this sniper entry. The stop loss must to be placed below the yellow line, and we will go ahead with the 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. So this is for a sell position. Again, let me explain you once again. We enter in a sell position when we have the sell signal from the fractal indicator and we have the candle that will be below the yellow line. Okay, if it's above or below the red line, we will not gonna enter in the trade, because we must be that the candle body must be below the yellow line, or even better the green line. Okay, and this is how we enter in a short. Vice versa, we are gonna enter in a long position when we see, first of all the moving averages band that must be below the price action, so all below the candles. As you can see in the when there is the downtrend, all the candles are below the moving averages, and when we are in the uptrend, all the candles are above the moving averages. So let's talk about long position. We will gonna enter in a long position here when we have the buy signal. You see, this is tricky because we have everything in order here, but we have the buy signal, the line, the moving averages line, all in perfect order, but we are not gonna enter in a buy position because we see the candles that are not above the yellow line. So for me, this is not valid for enter in a trade. But totally different the situation, it's here, and as you can see here, it's perfect for enter in a long position because we have the green signal, the green buy signal, and we have the candles that are perfectly above the yellow line. So from here we're gonna place a long position trade with a stop loss here like this, just right below the yellow line, and we go ahead with a 1 to 2, 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. Do not use 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, because even if you have 50% win rate, you're not gonna be profitable. If you use at least 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, you will be profitable even if you win only 25 trades on 100 trades. So please write down this rule and use it and apply it, and that's it. I'm not gonna enter too much in the risk reward because it is not the topic of this video. For this one you have to subscribe to my channel and watch the other videos where I treat this topic. So now let's go ahead and let's try to make a live example in the market here in Bitcoin. Now we are waiting for have all the confirmation for enter in a buy signal, for example. Now let's see the market how it moves, and now we have the line that are crossing each other, but now we could consider to enter in a buy position. Why? Because we have the buy signal here, the candle body that it's above the yellow line, and the moving averages that are not crossing each other. So in this case we could enter in a long position, and in fact, as you can see, I would have been entered in a long position, I said, from here with a very tight stop loss from here, because usually I also trade using key levels. So yes, okay, I could have made much more profit, but you see, this one can be a resistance, this can be also another resistance. So this risk reward ratio, it's more than enough for me, and it's basically make me feel without stress, because okay, I enter in the trade with a very tight take profit with stop loss, and I made a huge profit, and that's it. I'm really happy with this one. So guys, I'm telling you literally that if you see test this strategy, if you test this strategy as I just explained to you, you will be profitable. It's impossible that you miss a shot for real. It's impossible that you still miss trade. You need just to respect the rules. Write down the rules. I'm about to explain you again. Write down the rules. How? Which means that when you see the moving averages that they are crossing each other, what you do? Exactly, you're not gonna enter in the trade. Once you see order, once you see everything that it's converging and is following the trend of the market, you can consider to enter in a position. For example, let's make once again the short example. The short example, we need to see in order, first on the top the red line, the middle in the middle, the yellow in the middle, and the green on the bottom. Once we have this order, we just wait for the sell signal, and we're gonna enter in a short position from when we see the sell signal, and we place our stop loss just a little bit below that yellow line. You don't have to risk too much money. Stop, move away your stop loss, because you will just continue to burn your account. Once again, this is the trade that I'm placed 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 5 risk reward, but here it looks like much more, because sometimes yes, you can. And this was a short position. Let's make another example with a buy position. As you can see here, we have order, or the indicators are telling us that yes, we can buy. Why? Exactly because we have the buy signal here, the candles that are above the yellow line, and Yes, we're gonna enter in a long position. So let's go from here. We're gonna place, I explain you again, very tight stop loss just below the yellow line, and we go ahead smashing our profit in accordance to the other resistance level that we are gonna see. Guys, that's it. This strategy, it's for real. It's just that I want you to comment my video and explain me, and let me know if the strategy it's working with you, and let me know. You also can contact me and have a one-to-one chat on Telegram. You will find the link for join my community, and you can contact me for free. I do not sell course. I do not ask for money. I do not ask for nothing. I just love to help other people. Just I got helped to learn and understand and become profitable with this strategy, because I believe in karma a lot. And if you want to do so, you will find the link below in my description for join my Telegram community absolutely for free. And I wish you will do, because I always share a lot of trading tips that are very, very important in order to understand how the market is going, especially in this period, because we are just few days after the halving. We are in a very delicate situation, and the price will have huge movement soon. So make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel. But also I want to remind that, as you can see, you can follow my trade. Yes, you can apply this strategy, but also you can copy my trade 100% automatically and for free. You just need to go on cryptosniperofficial.com. You will find also for this the link below in my description. You will just need to create an account on Bybit. You will find all the buttons on my website. So you go on cryptosniperofficial.com. You sign up on Bybit by clicking here on create account, and if you sign up using this button, so my profile, you will see me here. You will be able to register and deposit and climb up to $30,000 bonus in rewards after you deposit. After you registered on Bybit, you will be able to contact me and receive the special invitation for follow my Bybit profile, which will help you to achieve these results that you are seeing here below, 100% automatically and for free, because basically I trade for you, which means that you, with your Bybit profile, will follow my Bybit profile, and every time I open a trade on my Bit account, it happened exactly the same in your account. So basically you don't need to do nothing, and you have all the time for study and apply all the strategies that I'm explaining in my YouTube channel. So guys, that's it for today. I really hope you study and apply this strategy because it's very, very easy, and you can become profitable just using these two indicators, because as I show you, it's very, very easy. That's it for today. Once again, please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button of this video if you are here until the end, and thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Ciao.